Hey, looking to do some house cleaning and you just need a little assistance? I got something for you here. This is really cool. This is a steam mop. Okay, so you have this water is actually inside of here, and you can actually do a lot of different things with it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is clean some of the garage up. It's just really dirty, and I'm gonna show you, you can mop the garage, you can mop your hardwood floor, your kitchen floor, whatever you want. This is just a nice little container. Fill this with water, and you can fill this this area here, where it holds the water here, with this, which is nice, and has all these different attachments. So this first one is if you want to get, like, say you clean a window, like up high. So this thing, I'll show you in a second. This will come off of this. This will come off of this, and I'm going to do different attachments like this, and so to clean a window. And then once the window is actually washed, then you can actually, squeegee it off with this. And then this is an extra attachment, so you can just get a little more extension on it. And these are great right here for like cleaning a grill. It's really firm here. Cleaning a grill or something like that too. And this is actually stainless steel here also. It actually kind of hurts. And then this is actually want to clean some grout. So you have all these different attachments that are really gonna come in handy. Let's go ahead and by the way, you plug this in. So it's plugged in, it's not battery powered. So really easy to use, really easy to put together. Let's go ahead and clean the garage floor a little bit, and then we'll go on and do some other things as well. Okay, so the first thing you wanna do is, it's plugged in now. There's a little button right underneath here. I press that button, and you'll see this little green thing come up. The water's starting to heat up. It's gonna kind of just click a little bit, and then once it starts heating up, you'll see steam start coming on the mop. And by the way, this is actually, I've already mopped a little. You can see how much it's picked up already. It comes with 2 of these terry cloths here that you can actually take off. What I love about, I'm gonna show you that in a second, how cool this is. It's still heating up. And then you can hear the steam starting to come out of this. And you can actually see it come out too. So nice amount of water is gonna come out. It's gonna allow me to clean. Obviously you can picture just doing a hardwood floor that gets a lot of, we have dogs, so our floors are always getting dirty. Obviously the garage is probably gonna be something that's, a bigger job trying to clean this, but I'm just kind of showing you for demonstration purposes how it works. And you can see, even a surface like this, how much dirt is picking up. And you see all that steam coming out as well. And so I was gonna show you this brush here, or this pad here. Look at how it attaches with Velcro right here. So it makes it really easy. You don't have to do any attachments at all. You just literally, it comes right on here and won't come off, which is nice. And now I got another attachment on this. It's really easy to put attachments on. You just press this button, and to release this, you just pull it out just like that. So this is actually a nice little brush here I'm gonna use, and then you just snap it on just like that, and now it's on. And it's the same process. You still have the steam that's coming out of here. Still have this. Make sure it's still full of water. And I'm gonna go ahead and it's plugged in, and let's go ahead and let it heat up until it's heating up. And you can see this grill. Obviously, this grill is very, very rusty. So let's just kind of do a little bit of cleaning and just see how it does. And it just needs it to heat up a little bit. Starting to see it come out. Let's just kind of go get some of this rust off here. You can see how oh yeah, it's taking this rust off very, very nicely. I've used a couple brushes like this, and you have the manual brushes, and they just don't do a very good job. You just need a little bit of heat, so having this heat really makes a big difference. You can see how easily this is cleaning. And yeah, it's gonna take a little effort to kind of get the whole thing done. But you can see right now, see how rusty it was there? You can see it's actually clean now. I can see there's rust on it, and it's doing a really, really good job. And now I got a little water on this to clean this window. Usually it's gonna be kind of hard to get up here and get the top of this window, but now with this is not even plugged in right now. I'm just using it just to kind of allow me to clean up high. So now I can get up here really high, and I can just clean this window, and you can put whatever you need, window cleaner, or whatever it is you want. And then the cool thing about this is once this gets wet, and I clean this all up, then I got my squeegee that I can put on to clean it all up. So let's go ahead and get the squeegee on here. Snap that right in. And now I can just take the squeegee and get that all nice and clean, just like that. Just get all that water off, just like that. And so there it is. So it's as simple as that. You can use all these different tools. By the way, when this water heats up, it's actually 270 degrees. So it gets really hot to do a lot of cleaning. You can clean your couch too, you can clean your carpet. You can do all sorts of things. I'm glad to have this. So versatile, and I'm gonna be able to clean all areas of my house with this.